What's up guys, World here for you Tech, and after launching a custom Realme GT Neo 2 Dragon Ball Edition earlier this year, now the Realme GT Neo has also got the anime theme variant treatment. This time, the anime is Masashi Kishimoto's Naruto. If you're a fan, you're going to want to check this out. Getting right into it, upon receipt of the Realme GT Neo 3, there is already a sense of excitement as it doesn't come in a box but rather a scroll. On the side of the scroll is the Uzumaki clan symbol where Naruto got it from his mother. To gain access to the phone, one of the end of the packaging opens up much like a drawer to reveal the phone box. The box itself is covered by a cardboard sleeve that is accompanied by a warranty paper and a SIM ejector tool that is also Naruto themed. Alongside of these is an orange 150-watt charging adapter and a USB-C cable. Moving on to the phone, it has a visually striking black and orange design at the rear evocative of Naruto's jacket with the Uzumaki clan symbol smack in the middle. Look closely and you will find Naruto's whiskers referencing the same marks on Naruto's face as a result of him turning into the nine-tailed fox. On top of this is a shinobi headboard or a forehead protector that has a metallic paint job covering an AG glass. Now once the phone is booted up, the rest of the experience is much like the regular GT Neo 3 that includes the rest of the hardware, which is mainly a 120Hz AMOLED, 50-megapixel main camera, and its Dimensity 8100 chipset along with the 4500 mAh battery and its 150-watt fast charging adapter, making it capable of fully charging in just under 20 minutes. For software, the Realme GT Neo 3 Naruto Edition runs on Realme UI 3.0 based on Android 12. Realme has specifically designed a skinned UI with Naruto wallpapers and themed icons to give it the best overall feel of the anime. The icons have a very anime aesthetic which is surprisingly cool but makes the phone look rather busy. Since this phone won't be available anywhere else but China, there's no Google Apps or Play Store available that comes out of the box, but can be easily installed directly from Realme's store or a third-party trusted source. Another new change the theme has made is a customized fingerprint scanner that denotes one of Naruto's favorite moves, the Rasengan. As for the storage, we have the 256 UFS 3.1 with no support for additional storage. Much like the standard version, the Realme GT Neo 3 Naruto Edition is powered by a 5nm octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 8105G with a Mali G610MC6 GPU. It also comes with a 12GB RAM that can be expanded up to 7GB, which of course gives a smoother experience for users. Since the camera is essentially the same as the standard version, here are some sample shots that we got. Now in terms of connectivity, the Realme GT Neo 3 Naruto Edition covers everything from usual dual SIM, 5G, dual band GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, QZSS, Galileo, BTS, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, and even NFC. This is probably one of the most amazing adaptations of an anime into a phone, although we expected a bit more from a standard theme by Realme. Although there is no word regarding its availability, there are only 5,000 units of this worldwide, and we are lucky enough to even got our hands on one. The Realme GT Neo 3 Naruto Edition is available in China for 3,099 Chinese yuan. And that's it for our unboxing and hands-on experience of the Realme GT Neo 3 Naruto Edition. Do you think it is worth the purchase despite not having the regular Google Play Store and applications? Well, do let us know in the comment section below. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit youtube.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Arel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.